Here's how to use the Fusion Builder, which is a plugin that gives you additional control over page layout. This plugin comes with your theme, which is Aveda. If you create a new post or new page and you're at the default editor here, and you want to use the Fusion Builder, just click on the button there that says Use Fusion Builder, and this will appear. Always gravitate towards the middle of the page, and that's generally where you want to click. I'm going to click on Container because that is the what contains the columns, which then contain the elements or the content of the page. So again, it goes Container, Columns, Elements. I'm going to add 2 columns, a 1/3, 2/3 format column. In the left, I'm going to put a picture of me. In the right, I'm going to put a little bio. So I'm going to click on plus element to add something, add an image. So I'm going to go to the image element and upload or select an image here, insert into post, and save. You see I'm skipping a lot of the optional details. And then on the right-hand side, I'm going to add the workhorse of the elements, a text block, which will just be a short bio or just gibberish here for now. I'm going to save that. And here we go. We have a 1/3, 2/3, 2 column structure with an image to the left, text to the right. Let's see what that looks like. And that's pretty much what we were going for there.